button? Which button is it? Do you remember?
It's the throttle
Oh.
handle right there.